am extremely smart. I am sharp. I'm as sharp as, I have a very high EQ, IQ, both. EQ, IQ, AQ. I can handle life. I can handle life's difficulties. I enjoy a challenge. I accept the challenges. I will continue to train my brain. I will not let my brain train me. The moment that I find that there is disorganization or some type of confusion within my mind or trying to enter my mind, I will put a stop to it and I will block it. That will not go, that will not run in my life. I consider myself a well-oiled human being, not a machine. Nobody's a machine. We are flesh and bones. We are created by the master of the universe. We are created by the master of the universe, and we are capable of doing all things. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. From the fruit of the man's mouth and woman will either come death or life. It's your choice what you will say to you on a daily basis and what you will say to others on a daily basis. I am strong. I am wise. I retain what I learn, what I see, the experiences, the ones that I want to hold on to, I hold on to them. The ones that I don't want to hold on, I let them go very quickly. I have rhinoceros skin. I have maybe call armor plates. Armor plating. I have armor plating on myself. What does that mean, Santos? I'm a soldier of self-mastery. I work on my mindset every single day. I work on the mindset that I want to have every single day. Santos here, Santos Rolon Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery. Soldier of Self-Mastery on another drive-by micro speech in my inspiration chamber here on a Sunday morning. We're out here in the area working on protecting families, helping hard-working American families. That's what I'm doing today. I'm working, okay? I'm also doing life coaching. I'm looking forward to getting on the air at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. Sunday night, a live power hour with your host, Soldier of Self-Mastery. Right here, I'm going to see you, my friend, today, hopefully. Maybe I'll get a chance to post this video before I go live today on. Actually, I go live every Sunday on YouTube, live stream. You can interact with me. I'd appreciate that. I will do my best to answer all your questions, interact with you. And we also have a program on Fridays. We're getting ready to launch a mastermind program. I believe my partner and I, we are going to launch a mastermind program coming soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm looking forward to that, man. In the meantime, Sunday Night Alive, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm going to finish up this video, but I want you to kind of get an idea of how I talk to myself. That's what I just did. I did some personal self-talk right in front of you so you can get some ideas. I'm not saying to copy what I do. I mean, you can if you want to feel super fantastic, terrific, and over the top in spite of and because of every single day. You can watch more of my videos. You can copy what I say, apply it, use it, because knowledge is not power by itself. Knowledge applied is power. Knowledge applied is power. All right, my friend. Subscribe, share this video, share it on Facebook, share it on another social media site if you will. If you want to team up with me, donate $100, $150, $200 to this mission. I'm about helping other people. Are you? If you are, Donate. Subscribe below to soldiersofselfmastery.com/happier. And also, if you're struggling with problem gambling or any other problem in your life, I don't care what it is. It's just about solutions. There's a link that goes to the Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. I would encourage you to take a look at that program that will help you get focus in your life, my friend, so that you can work towards your freedom, your mental freedom, your lifestyle, your family, your business, your job, whatever, my friend. Until my next one, I'm going to continue to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, in spite of and because of. Enjoy your Sunday, my friend. Be safe. Remember what I've shared with you. Hope you've taken some notes. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below, too. So I'll see you at the top on the inside on my very next one, my friend. From the top of my heart, peace through strength. I salute you.